Hi all, so today we have Carlinkit A2A. This is an Android Auto dongle for OEM head units. And so if you have an OEM head unit and it only works with wired Android Auto and you want the wireless, this is the device you will need. That is about $50 on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. You can check it out. And so today we're going to review it up. That is the device itself. Very tiny. It can hide anywhere in the car. I'll take it to the car and then connect that. So you have two connections. You have the type A here and then the type C connection as well. Let's see what other things we have. We have type C to type C connector here, since we have a type C here, and then the type A to type C connector. So I guess whichever works with your car, you use that. So if you have the type C, mostly the type C will go here, and then if your car has the type A, this will go in. Otherwise, if you also have the type C connector, you put that, you connect this to that in the car, and that should be about it. No need to connect any power cables or anything. Now that's the instruction manual. So yeah, very thoughtful to have both options. For the car we'll be using, we'll use the type C to type A connector, but you still have that as well. And so let's get to the car and then connect this and see how well it works. We are in the car and we're going to test the Carlinkit A2A. Time to plug in. Now on the screen, you see once this is turned on, it says welcome to App Connect. Connect a device using the USB. That is to show you that there's no wireless Android Auto in there. It is purely wired. And so this is my type A to type C. Plug in here and plug that in down there. It turns red here, solid red, which means it's not connected yet. So now we have to connect it to the phone. So the thing with this, because it's red here, it's a red light, so it means you have to now connect it. Now the instruction manual says to keep the phone connected to car's Bluetooth, and then connect it also to the device. So that is the phone. Turn on the Bluetooth. Let's go to Bluetooth. Turn that on. We're already connected to the car, which is the Atlas. And so we have to look for this device, which is last here, AutoKit. You can see AutoKit. We enter that here, and it asks to pair. So we pair that, and that is all. You see that automatically it says that reading, and then we get to select Android Auto. Okay. and it's connected. You see your Android Auto there, beautifully connected wirelessly, and this is the device. Now it turns green, which means it is right in there. So look at that. That's the phone. It's not connected in any way. Everything works perfectly. You can see the apps and all of that. The dual screen works perfectly in here, which is great. Now what we are going to do is to turn it off and then turn it back on and see. Now you can all see that it's off. And then let's turn it back on. See that it connects automatically. And there you go. It works perfectly, no lags at all, which is awesome. So, and the great thing about this is that it doesn't have its own interface. You only have to connect it once, and then so when it's plugged in, unlike the other one, you remember I reviewed another one which will give you the CarPlay interface by default, and then when you connect it, that's another whole process. But this one is just simple. Once you connect it once and you get inside of the car, you are able to just it just connects automatically. And let me show you something with the Bluetooth. You would see that it's only connected to the car's Bluetooth and not the device. So it only needs the device's Bluetooth for the first time to be able to connect, and then subsequently it just connects by itself. You see that it's playing, and then you can switch. The steering wheel buttons work seamlessly. There's no issue at all with that. So I definitely recommend this. So check the link in the description and get one for yourself. It's just $50 and you don't have to do any work with it. It's just plug and play. There's nothing serious you need to do. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos that will be coming up. Thank you for your support.